welcome back. So we did have a good amount of sunshine as we made our way through the day today. Just a few passing clouds out there. And most of the rain did miss us off to the south and off to the east of the Scottsbluff area. And we did have those high temperatures reach the lower 90s out towards Scottsbluff at 93, your high. A little cooler out toward Alliance and Sydney into the upper 90s, and out toward Kimball at 85. Cheyenne had a high temperature today near 90 degrees. Here's a look at the current temperatures, and we are currently at 73 at Scottsbluff and Bridgeport, 67 at Kimball, lower 70s at Sydney and Oshkosh, also lower 70s at Alliance and at Gordon. So here's a look at the winds, mainly from a southeasterly direction. Wind speeds between 5 and 15 miles per hour. And here's a look at the satellite loop. So most of the cloud cover and all of the rain have dissipated or moved off to the south, as we do have mostly clear to partly cloudy skies for most of us. And as for the surface map, high pressure to our south in charge of our forecast. We have that flow from a southerly direction. This high gave us a lot of sunshine. That southerly wind really did get us to the lower 90s today. The lows keep missing us off to the north. Now our next weather maker is going to be this frontal boundary. Not a lot of moisture with it, but it could spark off some isolated showers and thunderstorms over the next few days. We did have that isolated thunderstorm near the Kimball area. Expect more of the same as we go through time, with most of us staying dry. So here's a look at the skycast as we make our way through the rest of the evening into the overnight. Low temperatures will be near 60. Should stay mainly clear as we go through the day on Tuesday. Tomorrow we will have those isolated showers, but most of us will just have mostly clear to partly cloudy skies. High temperatures into the lower 80s, and then mainly clear skies for the first part of the overnight into Wednesday. This one does paint some showers and thunderstorms Wednesday morning in the northern and northeastern portion of the viewing area before we do clear out later on into the day. Wednesday's high should also be into the lower 80s as we stay slightly cooler than we have been. These lows continue to move off to the north and to the east. This cold front will extend across our viewing area. And we're going to basically be on the borderline of the cooler air to the north and the warmer air to the south. That'll get a couple of days with highs into the 80s before this high works its way off to the east. Got that warm front making its way through. Much warmer air off to the south. It will work its way in as we go through the weekend, and we will be back to mostly sunny skies. So as for that temperature outlook to round out the month of July and start the month of August, we are back to well above average across the region. Average high around 90. We should be above that. Have that 50 to 70% chance of being above that. And then precipitation outlook looks drier than average, so we're going to get back to that hot and dry weather pattern as we start the month of August. So let's take a look at the extended forecast. Mid to upper 80s the next couple of days. We have partly cloudy skies, only a 30% chance of some showers and thunderstorms. Also, that trend will continue through Thursday and Friday, but we will be a little cooler with highs into the low to mid 80s. And then for Saturday and Sunday, there's your sunshine, low to mid 90s, and we rise into the upper 90s for the day on Monday with mostly sunny skies. Angel?
Thanks, Justin. It may seem like everything costs more these days with decade-high inflation, but that doesn't mean deals don't exist. We have more on where to find them.
From groceries and gas to housing and medical care, ballooning prices have many Americans feeling the pressure.
And yet some items have managed to escape the rising prices, like